Best is the government which governs the least. It does not mean that that government is the best which governs the least. Don't take the literal meaning of it. What is the substance hidden behind it? Best is the government which governs the least means that the government is such that government is so much efficient, government has done so much of work in the past that it does not need to govern so much. Society is largely self governed. Government has institutionalized so well the process of governance. An impersonal entity, impersonal setup has come into existence. The equation of relationship between authority of the state and rights of the people, so well established, sustainable. Then equation of relationship between the state and the market, their respective operational domain, so well, so nicely it is set up based on scientific observation, analysis, objective appreciation of strength and weakness, different institutions of the government, so nice coordination, institutional coordination, policy coordination, progressive ideas of the government. Progressive ideas have been institutionalized, and over a period of time government has been able to contribute immensely in improving the value system which govern this society. And value system in what respect? In terms of a responsible and active citizenry. So people have been made to realize, the significance of their duty along with their rights. So society is not only right conscious, but people are very much duty conscious. What can I do for you? How can I contribute in the process of governance? You have this kind of attitude, and that's why sorry, government does not need to govern so much. Society is largely self-governed. So people, they do not jump, the traffic signal, not so much because of deterrence, but they do not jump traffic signal. Why? Because they know that they have to comply with rules and regulations and the laws to keep the system, in good shape, and to enforce and to have peace and stability in society. They have to play their role. So everybody is conscious of its duty. So you are following rules and regulation not so much because of deterrence or fear of law, but more out of your sense of responsibility, realization that governance is a collective enterprise and you have to contribute in the process in search of a better world to be in, for yourself, for your children. So this is the idea of best is the government which governs the least. If the government has not done its work, then everywhere the government has to regulate, government has to control, the government has to provide tens of amenities, government has to provide subsidies. And if the government has done so well, society is empowered. Capacity building has taken place. You create opportunity. So people are not so much dependent on the government for food packets or something. People are self-dependent, and they are capable of generating employment opportunity for themselves. Clear? They are self-dependent. They have good purchasing power. They can buy the things on their own, so they are not dependent on the government. Point clear? So the entire process goes on and on. So government has done so well in terms of growth and development. Society is so well developed that it is a development that is actually contributing to the process of growth. So growth of the country is scripted by the developed society. And developed society means that people are self-dependent, capacity building has taken place. Clear? And then there is an opportunity. They are capable of availing of opportunity. They are capable of creating opportunity for themselves. And the process goes on and on. The government just need to steer the process wherever little deviation takes place, which is bound to take place, howsoever good a system may be. Then government intervenes and government applies the thing. Government applies correctives. But to a great extent, your growth and development story is written by the people. Things do happen largely on the basis of a well-defined and well-acknowledged process. So best is the government which governs the least. Thank you.